What is good, mga champion, and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I would just like to answer the ultimate question that I always receive from my random subscribers, followers, and just the random people na nag-message sa akin pertaining to this question. Alin nga ba yung mas better? Okay, self-study nga ba? Given yung mga resources nowadays or available resources nowadays and information, or enrolling to a bootcamp, mentorship course, or online course. Alright? So again, just a disclaimer, my answer would not be a forceful option to everyone, but then again, everything boils down to personal preference or choice ng individual or aspiring traders. Okay? But before I answer that, let's just thank lahat ng aking mga TFP VIP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and all the people na sumusuporta, nagla-like, nagko-comment, nag-share ng aking mga videos. So, thank you so much. So, again, going back to our question, self-study nga bang mas okay? Or mentorship or online course? Okay? Or kung ano man. So, again, kailangan malaman mo muna ano nga ba yung mga factors. Okay? Bago mo masabing the other one is, or this one is better than the other. Okay? So, pinakaunang factor dyan is napakahalaga, which is time. Okay? So, both have their own pros and cons or advantages or disadvantages if you're going to choose self-study route or enrolling to a mentorship or online course. Okay? So, pinakaunang factor sabi nga is time. So, bakit time? Again, if you're going to a route of self-study, definitely, it is quite obvious na it will take more time sa side mo. Okay? Why? Because you are going to explore, you are going to absorb a lot of pieces of information. At the same time, you're going to have this trial and error because I believe, okay, given the vast information available nowadays publicly, okay, as compared to a structured information, a smooth flow pagdating sa online course or mentorship services that will provide you guidance is let's say, you can binge watch all the YouTube videos or articles na pwede mo mabasa publicly, Google, kung ano man, website or articles. It is, or it would take a lot of time. No question about that. And problema pagka self-study as compared to enrolling to a mentorship or online courses is that there are many questions that not being addressed or maaaring hindi masagot. Okay, why? You're just dependent on your own personal understanding, okay, or comprehension dun sa inaaral. Okay, so no one can answer that unless you do a trial and error. Okay? So, yun yung pinakaunang factor, time. So, unlike pagka naman you're going to choose the mentorship or online courses, okay, structured na yung topics. Everything goes in a smooth way because these topics is the way that individual or coach have arranged para mas maintindihan mo from start to finish. Okay? I'm not saying it's perfect, but then again, it's a smooth flow of information rather than just receiving all the information one time, advanced, intermediate, beginner. So, napakarami and you don't know where to start. Yun yung pinaka-problema ng mga aspiring traders nowadays. Sobrang dami information, you don't know alin ba yung para sa'yo, which one works, and saan ka magsisimula. Okay, kaya importante, i-gauge nyo muna yung inyong tolerance pagdating sa time. Okay? Tolerance in a sense, ano bang timeline mo? Are you going to study 6 months, a year, couple of years, etc., etc. Alright? So, second is self-study versus mentorship. Of course, consistency. Okay? Yung result of consistency and a proven system. Okay? So, self-study, definitely, you cannot be consistent right away. Let's accept that. Dahil self-study ka, you have to go through a lot of failures. definitely, mangyayari yun sa'yo. And a lot of trial and errors. And at the same time is, you don't have any confidence. Yun yung mahirap dyan. Walang confidence kasi kahit inaral mo na, you'll always have the doubt to yourself na tama ba yung ginagawa mo or hindi. Okay? Unlike kapag you're going to enroll to a mentorship services or online course, meron ng proven system. Okay? Importante dyan is hindi ka hindi ka mapunta dun sa tinatawag nating circle of doom. Kumbaga, mas stuck ka dun sa ideology na you're going to binge watch a strategy. May nakita ka, it worked, and then you tried it yourself, and then for a couple of trades, 1, 2, or 3 trades, you have lost, and you will immediately conclude na hindi na gumagana or hindi gumagana yung system yan. Again, you cannot conclude na hindi working or effective yung strategy by just a couple of trades. Minimum, it would take 50 to 100 trades para masabi mong effective yung strategy. Because you have to get more data, more results, and more data means, ibig sabihin you have to do a lot of trades. Or in short, you have to gain more experience. Okay? So, dyan papasok yung consistency in between self-study and enrolling to a mentorship course or online services. Okay? And ano pa? Self-study kasi, you will not grow if you only depend on yourself or if you only depend on what you know rather than trying what worked for others. So, in relation yan sa pangalawa, which is, tandaan nyo, sa mentorship or online course, subok na yan. Okay? I'm not saying lahat. Okay? There are bogus online course or mentorship na how you call this? Derive lang from other people, and yung tuturo mismo is hindi nila alam pinagagawa nila. Okay? Or sila mismo nahihirapan. So, again, you have to do a proper research, and at the same time, still depends on your preference. Okay? So, you will only know unless you try. Diba? So, what I'm trying to say here is, again, is just on the personal perspective, no? So, I'm not saying na mag-enroll kayo sa akin or bilihin nyo yung course ko kung ano man. Again, isa pang tanong dyan is, na lagi sumusulpot, kung kumikita na pala ako, bakit ko pa kailangan magturo? Bakit ko pa kailangan magawa ng course, ng VIP, ganyan? Again, simple lang. Okay? Because I know what I'm doing and I can share that to others. At the same time, I know how to relay the information well, and if kaya mong ituro yung ginagawa, which means naiintindihan mo talaga yun. Okay? So, there are a lot of like bogus traders or marketing agents dyan na sabi na wag na mag-enroll sa mga ganyan, waste of time, meron namang resources sa YouTube, Google, etc. Again, sabi ko nga, you can binge watch lahat ng tutorials na yan, but trust me, I have known a lot of people na naging estudyante ko na it took them 2 to 3 years to realize na hindi pa rin sila confident enough and they are not profitable pa rin sa market. Okay? So, again, it's all about time. Kaya yun yung pinaka-priority when it comes to choosing between self-study and mentorship. I'm not saying perfect yung aking mentorship or yung system, but ang point ko dito is I'm shortening yung learning curve ng mga estudyante. Bakit? No one wants to have or study this kind of industry that it would take you like a college timeline or period like 4 years, diba? So, at the end of the 4th year mo, hindi ka pa rin consistent or hindi ka pa rin kumikita, then there's something wrong, okay? But, of course, that doesn't mean na nag-enroll ka sa akin, you'll be millionaire agad. Again, nandyan yung factor na how much time are you going to render or you going to sacrifice para aralin yung mga tinuturo ko. At the same time, are you diligent enough na sundin yung mga rules ng system or gaano ka kasipag mag-charting, okay? Magkaiba yung nagbibigay ng 10 minutes kada araw sa nagcha-chart every other hour, okay? Or every 30 minutes, okay? So, again, iba-iba tayo ng condition sa buhay, iba tayo ng lifestyle. But my point here is, it may be better for a person, lalo na't walang budget, na mag-self-study. Lalo na kung accepted niya na it would take time, okay? And it would also be accepted na yung isa, walang oras, but they do have funds, they do have budget na mag-enroll, okay? And majority nowadays, people are nag-enroll dahil they want to invest, okay, sa kanilang sarili. Okay, so isang way yon. The reason nagtuturo ako is I want people na mag-invest sa knowledge rather than mag-invest ka saan? Sa mga get rich quick schemes, okay? Yung mga double your money schemes, okay? So, kaya marami na-scam, marami naloko kasi you always want fast, you always want easy. Again, there's no shortcut to success, okay? But, again, I do offer structured services para mas maintindihan nyo in my own little way. But, again, the topic here is you always have the choice, okay? Personal preference nyo na going to the route of self-study and the other person is going to the mentorship services. These bitter people in the internet, kung saan man na nagsasabi lagi na bakit ka pa nagbebenta ng course, bakit ka pa na natuto ko lang, naging guro ko na. Again guys, I've been trading for a decade, almost mag 11, 12 years na. So, I know my craft well and I know what I'm doing. So, yung mga nagko-comment ng ganyan, haters, okay? Most probably, they are the people na matagal na nagtitrade pero loser pa rin. So, I understand all of you guys. So, hindi may iwasan maging bitter kayo lalo na again, I've been succeeding din sa pagtitrade and for you, it was unfortunate na ang dami nyo nga alam, however, di pa rin kayo nag-improve. Maybe I can help, okay? We don't have to hate everyone dahil may iba-iba tayong opinion, may iba-iba tayong karanasan, okay? I've lost a lot of money sa trading, but I learned a lot, okay? Yun yung importante. So, again, I hope I answered, if not better, at least nasagot yung mga tanong na lagi ko na-receive. Bakit ko kailangan mag-enroll sa'yo or bakit kailangan self-study lang given yung mga resources naman sa YouTube or ano. Again, hindi kasi ako na nag-aaral ng mga kung ano-anong system kasi ginagamit ko, system ko talaga. Okay? So, tandaan nyo lagi, lahat ng nakikita nyo publicly, it is free for a reason. Okay? Those strategies, those information na sinashare ko sa inyo na free, it is free for a reason. Bakit? Publicly, I want everyone to have a good foundation. But, take note, hindi lang yun. Okay? If you want to have an in-depth knowledge pagdating sa pagtitrade ng currencies, that's why nagkaroon ako ng mga VIPs, mentorship services. Kasi, there are information na, of course, I exerted a lot of effort na pag-aralan yon, mag-come up sa ganun system. Of course, hindi ko basta pwedeng ibigay yon ng libre lang, okay? So, sa tingin nyo, it's not worth, okay, I'm not forcing everyone to like me, to enroll to my course, but my point here is, let's be realistic when it comes to target setting, okay? Ano bang gusto nyo mangyari sa career nyo as a trader or kung aspiring trader ka or intermediate na or advanced, you have to set goals, okay? Kung hindi pa rin kayo consistent, tapos ang tagal nyo nag-trade, you have to think. Kung ititigil mo na mag-quit ka, you have to think. So, again, I'm just addressing some common questions na lagi ko na-receive na nasagot ko na 2-3 years ago. So, I hope I provided value when it comes to my answers. So, yeah. So, you always have the choice. Self-study or enroll to any mentorship services or bootcamp. Okay? Mura man yan o mahal, again, you have to know the value. Okay? So yeah, that would be it for today, and just a simple uh, question and answer pagdating sa topic na yun. So, I hope naintindihan yung mga pinunto ko. And again, no one's perfect. Nothing's perfect. All we have to do is accept, recognize that there are difficulties along the way. But, again, importante is you want to improve, you want to change, you want to be better than yesterday. Okay? So, walang tamang timing, wala 100% na ready. Okay? If you want to change, do it now. Okay? Kung gusto nyo matuto, seriously, you want your trading to go to another level. Okay? Go check out my TFP VIP Champion Mentorship course. Just hit me up sa aking official Facebook page, TFP Champion Online, or you can contact me through my official email. Okay? Or you can roll to someone else that can provide what you need or what you require as a guru or as a coach. So again, thank you so much, and God bless to you all. Bye-bye.
So I just want to inform and announce that our TFP VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs, and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So we here we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So yeah, this is just a minor announcement, and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow, lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profit from the market, but as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang, and thank you very much. Alright.